Temperature in the village of Somers is currently 36 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 46 and a low of 43 with afternoon rain. Now please stand and join us in singing our nation's flag. Our pledge speakers for today are
Alejandra, Brandon,
Mita.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks will play the Philadelphia Flyers tonight at 7 o'clock, and the Bulls will play the Miami Heat at 6:30. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are Smens and Smensels will be sale today during lunch. Come down and buy Smensels for $1 and Smens for $2. Now it's time for club news. Please watch this video from the Kind Kids Club.
Kind Kids Club is like a club that we do kind kids for the whole school. It's random acts of kindness. Kind Kids Club is where you spread random acts of kindness all around the school. And we do it to every classroom so everyone can have a good day. Kind Kids Club. I like about it is because then we get to write kind notes to people. Kind Kids Club. We do kind stuff to people and we try to make the world a better place with kindness.
And now a message from Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Akil. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Real good. How was your Halloween?
It was great.
Did you get a lot of, oh, go ahead. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Thanks. We took Noah trick-or-treating, so we got some candy, and then we made chili for dinner. How was yours?
Good. What's Noah's favorite candy?
Well, since he can't eat candy,
That was a veiled question. What is your favorite candy?
we'll go with gummy bears.
Gummy bears. All right.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of gummy bears, because it is the day after Halloween and you get lots of those sweets and sticky candy in your teeth, it is National Brush Day, and we want to remind everyone that they should brush their teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes. So don't forget. But as we're looking here, it's also what?
It is also National Cook for Your Pet Day. So when you go home tonight, if you have a pet, you may cook for them.
What would you cook for your pet?
Probably like fish for my cat.
Okay. Well, speaking of fish, it's not quite a fish, but it's National Deep Fried Clams Day as well. This one is a huge fan of clams.
And he's lying.
No,
so
she was just talking about how she likes.
How much
She
I did
prefers to
not
saute
like
them
clams.
versus deep fry them, but that's okay.
He is not telling the truth.
It is also No Shave November. That
You
is
got a
good
head
news.
start on that,
I
didn't
do.
you?
Well, you just gained some time in the morning as well, because now you don't have to shave either.
I don't participate in that
All
one
right.
like you do.
Do you have any other announcements?
Nope, I think that covered everything.
All right. Well, I don't have any more either. So have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Akil.
Wednesday's words of wisdom are,
Man, I was hoping for more questions.
make today so awesome that yesterday gets jealous. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought you by the third graders in room 113. Have a Frankenstein Wednesday.